Hey, what's up guys, how you doing? Boulder120 here. I've just done a brief video about my Xbox One Elite controller. I've had this bad boy for a while now and I'm pretty impressed with it. I got it with the Elite console, you know, with the hybrid hard drive, and I've not looked back since. I think this is a pretty good piece of hardware, but the only thing that I fell in love at first with the idea you could change the sticks, you could change the analog sticks, you could have the paddles on the back, and you could interchange them and have them how you want. And it's all magnetic. It's pretty much just snap and go. You know, pretty clever. But I found that you can't get replacements for these off the Microsoft website. Now I have recently lost the smaller stick. As you can see, I got one bigger, one slightly smaller. When you get these, you get a pouch pretty much just like this, and you get your buttons, your triggers, the other D-pads inside. It nuzzles. It's a pretty cool case. Nuzzles in. When you're not using it, put it away and away it goes. You know, but recently I have lost. I gone to work one day, I'd come home, kids were on running around as they do. My controller was knocked on the floor, and we've got wooden floors, so we're not 100% sure where we've got old style wooden floors, not like laminate floors, old style floors, where, you know, there's still a few cracks in the floor, so I don't know if it's gone under the floor or what. Anyway, the point of the story is I lost me short stick for my analog, so I had to go long, short, because I couldn't go two long ones, because it absolutely annoyed me. I couldn't, especially playing like Mass Effect recently, For Honor, I just couldn't do it. It wasn't for me. So I ended up with one small and one short, so I didn't mind scoping round with the long one. Made things a bit easier, but that's not the point. I wanted it complete, so I'm searching the Microsoft website, and you can get some custom Gears 4 edition buttons, but you're talking like £30. Well, in the UK you're talking about £30 onwards. You can get them online on eBay slightly cheaper, but still £30 just to replace a few buttons is a bit much. So I'm searching, and my missus finds this on Amazon. I'll put the links in the description below. But I think she paid about £11, £13. I'm not quite sure that is in dollars. Basically, it was a whole replacement kit. Now, if you were to have problems with your controller, you've got the screwdrivers that are specific for that controller, and they do fit, because I have had them on the screws and they seem fine. I got a spare pack of paddles for the back of the controller. Got a spare D-pad, and you even get some spare the actual magnetic part that goes inside of the controller. So you do get quite a bit of a range of parts in this thing, especially for 11 quid. I thought it was good money, value for money. I mean, that's the replacement part for the analogs. There's two of them, and then you've got all the sticks, the short, the long, and the short smooth ones. I'm not keen on these, but I sort of get like a PS4 feeling with them. I'm just not keen on the PS4 pad at all. I mean, everyone has their preferences, everyone has their likes. It just isn't for me. But I got this for 11 quid online. Take these off my controller, and they actually fit straight on. They fit straight on there. I've tried all the paddles and all the stuff on. I can't complain. It's exactly like having as it was new out of the box. I mean, my grips have slightly worn down a bit, where these are pretty much brand new. I mean, I can show you they are absolutely the same. Just the grips are slightly newer on this, and you get the odd bit of markings on here that, you know, say otherwise, but they're not a bad little replacement button kit. If you're like me, you've got an Elite controller, and either if you just want replacements, you need to repair it or whatever, it's pretty cool. I'll show you the inside of it again. It's like you've got your D-pads, your buttons, your analog sticks even. Then you've got the actual necks for the analog sticks, the screwdrivers and the paddles, and they all fit nicely into this one case, which is pretty cool. And it does, and it can fit inside your spare controller, the spare controller bag when you're not using it, and you can shut it. So yeah, I was just doing a quick little review, you know, sort of essentials pack. If you've got an Elite controller like me, I would seriously look into buying one of these. I mean, they're exactly the same as what you get with your controller. These are probably just a factory out in China or somewhere that have made products for Microsoft before, and you know, it's just cheaper for them to sell them direct to a customer than through a middle person. They probably make more money out of it that way. And I mean, they are pretty much identical. I mean, that's the one that I got with my Xbox Elite controller, and that's the one that came in the post. I nearly dropped that now. As you can see, they are identical. Obviously mine's slightly worn because I've been using my controller for over a year now. But yeah, anyway guys, if you're looking into buying one of these, I'll leave the link in the description below. I would recommend buying these. I've been using this now for about a week, and I'm very happy. I was quite miffed that I'd spent that much on the Elite console and for a part of my Xbox controller to go missing. I mean, you know, Microsoft should have spare parts like this on their website. I did have a quick scour through, and I couldn't find any links on the website. I did get this through Amazon. I'm pretty sure you can get these off eBay as well. And if I remember right, because my missus ordered them, it came through from China. But yeah, guys, if you want to know any more about these parts that I got for my Xbox One Elite controller, just drop it in the comments below. I'll get back to you with any of your questions. If you want me to go into a bit more detail, I suppose I could always lay them out and do a compare that way. I just thought doing it hands-on, getting them in and out of the packet, the boxes, you know, just to show you that they fit on, they're fine. I mean, that's the actual D-pad, they're the actual sticks. These are the sticks that I got from in that pack, and this actually came with the controller, so you can tell that there's no difference at all. So yeah, like I say, any questions, just drop it in the comments below. I'll get back to you guys. Anyway guys, if you found this video helpful, useful, give it a thumbs up. Please smash that subscribe button. I'm still trying to get some more subscribers. I'm getting there very slowly. But anyway guys, until next time, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.